Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So honestly, I'm going to tell you guys I'm really disappointed in Samsung because of the display that they are using in this model. As you can see, the bezels are huge compared to previous generation, and I really don't like the display. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 6.4 inches display, 120Hz refresh rate, but the bezel size, as I told you previously, I really just hate the bezel size in this model. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments and dislike on this video, but honestly, seriously guys, if you ask me, I would not recommend you this device. Previous generation, the display was very good and the bezel size was also really good, but as you can see on the top, really it's looking very ugly in my opinion. And overall the design is also looking very cheap compared to previous models. And as if I go into settings, as you can see, it is running Android 13 version, and they do have another color option. This one is white and the other one they have is in black color. So as you can see on the bottom, we have a speaker. And as you can tell by my voice, I'm really not excited about this model. And if we talk about the price, it is selling for 2,499 Saudi riyals, which is, in my opinion, it's a very expensive device, and I would not recommend you to buy this one. Instead, get a Google Pixel or something like that, Google Pixel 7. They are still better than this one, or get a Xiaomi device. Here is another color black variant. As you can see, they have different color options. So guys, overall I cannot recommend you this device. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but it's okay. Everyone has their own opinion about this. So guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, and thank you for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.